With event management software, you can create custom fields for your registration forms in addition to the standard fields that are already provided, such as first and last names, company name, email, phone number, etc. Custom fields allow you to obtain information that is specific to your company to enrich your contacts. The data obtained can later be used to group your attendees, set up tracks, personalize your event email campaigns, and most importantly, help you qualify leads for your marketing and sales teams. There are two types of custom fields, one that is created for a specific event and one that is created for your entire organization. The latter allows event organizers to standardize their use and avoid creating them for every event. You can create different types of custom fields depending on your objectives. Perhaps you need your participants to upload a scan of their passport to manage travel, or perhaps you need more information about your participants to improve your customer relationship management and sales performance. You can also configure your custom fields with special settings. They can be required fields, marked as sensitive data, or can be set up to match a regex pattern so that the information entered is correct, ensuring that the attendee data is perfect. This is essential if you plan on having this data synced with your company's CRM through APIs. Now you know all about custom fields. Check out our other videos on Event Tech Explained to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe.